In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to connect Miro to Google Drive. So let's get started. First of all, go into your workspace, and from here, you want to click here on the export button right here on the top left. And from here, you would now be able to see that you could save this as a PDF, image, and so on. So basically what you want to do is click here on Save to Google Drive so that you will now need to log in into Google Drive to connect your Miro account. So from here, I'm just going to go and select my account right here. And in here, I'm going to click on Continue and click on Continue again. And now from here, it will now be saved. As you can see right here, board has been saved and my Miro is now connected into my Google Drive. And now every time I click here on Save to Google Drive, it will now automatically save it. I wouldn't have to connect my Google account again. I'm going to go for other boards right here. And let's see right here, click on the save button right here. Click on Save to Google Drive, and as you can see, it's now connected, so now board has been saved without logging in again. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.